Felice Anno Nuovo. Happy New Year, everybody. We want to make it a great new year. But hey, we do what we can. There's a freak show out there. But anyway, the economies are going to go down. Inflation's going to keep going up. It's a hoax that they're saying inflation's not going up. Everybody living knows how bad it is. And again, we have the facts there. And this is despite the dollar hitting two-year high. What does that mean? It means the other currencies are going down. Gold prices should go down when the dollar goes high. It's reflecting the uncertainty out there.
In today's news recap, silver price surges to near $29.50 due to increased safe haven demand. Silver price extends its gains for the third successive day, trading around $29.60 per troy ounce during the Asian hours on Friday. This sustained rally is attributed to strong safe haven demand amid persistent geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and the prolonged Russia-Ukraine conflict. Axios referenced three sources indicating that U.S. President Joe Biden reportedly explored contingency plans to target Iran's nuclear facilities if Tehran advanced significantly in developing a nuclear bomb before Donald Trump's inauguration on January 20th. These talks underscore the growing concerns over Iran's nuclear aspirations during the transition between administrations. A Financial Times report noted that the People's Bank of China, PBoC, anticipates an interest rate cut this year at an appropriate time. Traders are closely monitoring the potential recovery in China's economy and its effect on the industrial demand for silver. President Xi Jinping reaffirmed his commitment on Tuesday to prioritizing economic growth, promising more proactive policies to bolster China's economy in 2025. While China's manufacturing activity showed minimal growth in December, services and construction sectors have recovered. The data indicates that policy stimulus is beginning to impact certain sectors as China prepares for new trade risks stemming from tariffs proposed by U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. Before we dive into the best clips of the latest interview, make sure to smash that subscribe button and check our pinned comment for exclusive VPN offers. Protect your online privacy with NordVPN, the fastest and most reliable service out there. Just a few clicks secures your data and keeps unwanted eyes at bay. Plus, if you're a stacker seeking truly independent market insights, visit goldsilverstacks.com for our Stacker's Handbook, loaded with strategies to safeguard your financial future so you don't rely on commentators for market insights. Enjoy the episode.
The Dow was up more than 300 points this morning, popped down, closed down, 152 points. The S&P and NASDAQ just fell a little bit, 0.2%. And oil prices, they popped up some 2% because China's saying they're going to do more to artificially stimulate the economy. And now Brent crude's up at almost $76 a barrel, going back to dragflation. Inflation is not going to stop. And again, then when you put into context what's going on in the Ukraine and Israel wars, there's a sharp opportunity of oil prices spiking a lot. And we're going to get to that to the whys. And if that happens, again, you're going to see equity markets and economies crash if Brent crude breaks over $100 a barrel, $120, $130. Yep. And Bitcoin, it bounced up nearly 3%. Again, we've been very positive on Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is going to keep bouncing up 3%. It's in the $97,000 per coin range. And gold had a good day, up $32 at $2,657. And this is despite the dollar hitting two-year high. What does that mean? It means the other currencies are going down. Gold prices should go down when the dollar goes high. It's reflecting the uncertainty out there and relative to our top trends. So the gold prices went up as the dollar hit a new high. It's very important to look at. Yep. The euro traded 1% lower against the dollar, the weakest since November 2022. And they had parity back then. And the British pound dropped 1.17%, hitting a new low over the 8 months. So that means more inflation for them, dragflation. They're saying that Britain's economy is stagnated. It hasn't stagnated. It's dead, declining, and inflation is going up. It's dragflation. Mortgage demand dives nearly 22% at the end of 2024. This is from CNBC. Total mortgage application volume for the 2 weeks ending December 27th dropped nearly 22%. Yep. And it goes on. Applications to refinance home loans fell 36% from the 2 weeks before.
In today's news recap, silver price surge expected in 2025 as UBS predicts $38 target amid industrial strength. UBS anticipates silver prices climbing to $36 to $38 per ounce by 2025, driven by falling U.S. yields, robust industrial recovery, and stronger demand. Despite recent headwinds, the metal's dual role as precious and industrial could fuel its growth. According to investing.com, silver prices are expected to increase in 2025, according to UBS, which is boosted by lower real rates in the United States and higher global industrial production. This is despite the fact that the metal is struggling to match the increases spurred by the central bank in gold. Silver prices increased by more than 20% in 2024, but they have recently lost impetus as a result of increasing yields in the United States, a strong dollar, and growth concerns in global markets. With speculative short positions expanding and ETF holdings stabilizing following major outflows earlier this year, the metal is trading near its 200-day moving average. This represents a positive development for the market. In spite of these difficulties, UBS continues to retain its positive stance with a target price range of $36 to $38 per ounce for the year 2025. Although rising yields have been a disadvantage, a decrease in yields might potentially improve the desirability of silver. There is a need for a shift towards cyclical commodities, which UBS anticipates will become more prevalent as the year 2025 progresses. Dual roles of silver highlight its market potential. Despite the fact that silver's association with gold continues to be high, the fact that it also moves in tandem with industrial metals highlights the fact that it serves a dual purpose as both a precious metal and an industrial metal. Now we'll show you the best clips of the latest interview where Holter talks about his price predictions, but first, smash that subscribe button and check our pinned comment for some massive offers on NordVPN. If you're a serious stacker, this is a perfect fit for you. For less than the cost of a Financial Times paper, you can protect your online activity from prying eyes with the most reliable VPN on the market. Trust me, the only thing you'll regret is not getting it 6 months ago. Enjoy the episode.
What does this mean? The Trump card. Despite what everyone's saying, we believe Trump is going to lower interest rates to boost up not only this economy, but the global economy. Because as these currencies are going down and they're economies are going down. They cannot afford to have high interest rates. So they're going to have to lower their interest rates in Europe, in Great Britain, all over the world to pop up their economies. But if they lower interest rates and the dollar is strong, their currencies go way down. And it's one big club. So we believe that being a member of the club, the United States is going to lower interest rates too, and that's going to be very bullish for gold. And again, gold was one of our top trends for 2024, and it's up over $600 an ounce, right? So if you bought 1 ounce, you would have made $600. NVIDIA pumps $1 billion into AI startups, riding on revolution. Its chips started. AI and space tech to spur defense sector merger spree. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. It's kind of almost like one of your top trends for 2025 rather. Yeah. New millennium warfare. It's going to happen. And again, going back to AI, number of articles in your top trends about AI and where AI is going to take us. Again, love it, hate it, it's taken us there. And then on to the geopolitical section. U.S. has given Israel $22 billion in military aid since October 2023. Oh, as the homeless rates in America, as we reported, hit new highs. As the people of Slavelandia living paycheck to paycheck. Off with their heads 2.0, populism 2.0, free speech dead, wild cards. You know what the wild card is? The Joker is wild. It's a lot of stuff going on that no one can predict, but we're saying this is what's going on, and this is where we see it going, unless this or that changes. Health are us. Dragflation. That's right. No stagflation. It's going to be dragflation. Nah, I'm not calling about those kind of drags. I'm talking, the economies are going to go down. Inflation's going to keep going up. It's a hoax that they're saying inflation's not going up. Everybody living knows how bad it is. And again, we have the facts there. And then great articles in here by Mind Vision. Yep. The internet is a whole different game. It's the inter-inet. And Gen AI killed the climate change star. Remember that song? Yep. The climate change star is dying. Great articles in here and what to invest in if you want an entrepreneur opportunities. You don't tell you what to do. We give you the opportunities. But again, you don't have to get to Trends Journal. You could go to USA Today. They used to publish all my trends years ago when it was a great newspaper. Google it up. Google up top trends for 2025. Google it up.
What do you think about Gerald Celente's bullish stance on gold? Do you agree that it remains one of the top trends heading into 2025 despite the recent sell-off? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things gold, silver, and market trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.